Hello everyone, it's Andy here. I'm doing the tests on my fish tank water using the API freshwater test kit. So far today I've done the ammonia test, which came out well with zero ammonia. I've done the nitrite test, which has just developed. Having waited the 5 minutes, and it's a lovely light colour. Oops. So that means that's come out as practically 0 parts per million for nitrite, which is another good sign that the plants are doing their job, using up all the minerals and stuff that's in the water. And now the last one is the nitrate test, which is a bit of an exercise in, well, exercise. It's quite a lot of work. Let's just turn to the page for nitrate. Nitrates will be in the water, but high levels mean you have to do a water change because they can be bad for the fish. If you've got ammonia or nitrates in the water, they can kill the fish. So you want to see 0 ammonia, practically 0 nitrite, and not too much nitrate. This test is, I've got the one test tube left, which is supplied. I've filled it to the point that it needs to be filled with aquarium water. And this test is an art. So, I had 10 drops from the test solution 1, and then invert the test tube, put the cap back on of course, and then shake nitrite test solution 2 for 30 seconds vigorously. If you skip this bit, the test doesn't work. And then once you've put 10 drops of nitrite solution 2, after shaking it for 30 seconds, into the test tube, you cap it, and then you shake vigorously for a minute. And that's before you then leave it for 5 minutes to get the reading you want. So let's start. The easy bit, 10 drops of solution 1. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Invert it. Now the fun starts. Solution 2. Shake it for 30 seconds before you even start the test, and it's vigorous shaking. None of your mamby-pamby shaking, not just turning it over and back again. This stuff's got to have the hell shaken out of it, or it won't even return a result for you. It's important to get an accurate result on this one, or as accurate as you can. 5 seconds to go. Oh, there you go. Crikey. And that's just the first part. Now stick 10 drops in the same test tube. Ooh. Take the cap off. It's important you take the cap off the solution before you put it into the test tube. It's essential. Can't do it else. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cap back on the test tube. And now shake vigorously for a minute. Go. Again, you can't skip this bit. If you don't shake vigorously for a whole minute, this test is worthless. So nitrate testing is more of an art than a science. There's so many bits you can do wrong. If you don't shake the seconds test solution for 30 seconds, it won't activate. If you don't then shake this for a minute, it won't give you a proper result. And you have to do this for a whole minute. Your arms are killing you. I could shake it with my other hand, but I'm trying to watch the second hand on my watch. Christ, this is bad. I've got 5 seconds to go. I'll give it a little bit more than that, just to be sure. Oh dear. Okay. That shaked vigorously for a minute. Oh, breathe. Now, I've got to wait another 5 minutes before I get the right result. There's a bit more colour in this one, as I'd expect. I'm placing these in a really weird place, aren't I? You can't really see them, sorry. Okay. So that's the scale I'm looking at, the one on the left-hand side. Nitrate level. But in my area, I'm on the south coast, the nitrate level in tap water is reasonably high, which I was really concerned about when I first got this test kit. Then I boiled the water and tested boiled water. Stayed the same. You can't boil nitrate out of a water solution, out of water. You're going to have some. Fish don't tend to like it too much. But if you're then saying, oh, my test is poor, I need to do a water change, and the water you're using to change is high in nitrates as well, you're not going to get the desired result. The best way that I've found to get nitrates down, or, well, down to a level where the fish are okay, for me is about 80 parts per million, which is that really dark one, second from the bottom. The fish are quite happy with that at the moment. It might sound like a lot, indeed it is if you look at the scale, but if they're happy, I'm happy. I'm not going to wait the full 5 minutes here. I'll let you know. I'm getting what I'm expecting, as you can see. So I hope you found this helpful. As I say, this is using the API freshwater test kit. It's a very good and accurate way to do the testing of the aquarium water that you have. I was using these 6-in-1 dip strips before, which you dip in the water and leave for a minute, and then you try and read 6 different colours against 6 different parts of a chart. It's impossible and very inaccurate. It wasn't giving me anything like I could track to make sure that my water was okay. So that's it, basically. I'd advise anyone to get this kit. It's very compact, comes with test tubes and everything you ever need, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.